So Cody, we talked about BP and furrow, going in furrow in the row. One of the things that we've been telling people is the huge difference between broadcast and drive fertilizer and fertilizer placement alone. A lot more people are seeing more and more better results just for the fact that they're putting the fertilizer directly where the plant needs it, as opposed to a shotgun or a broadcast approach. So can you touch base a little bit on that?
Yeah, no, I'd totally agree. The first year that we really jumped into the in-furrow placement, quicker germination. I'm big on soybeans, and the faster we can get them up, get them going, get them bushed out, that just helps on weed control. Last year I didn't use quite as much liquid, and I could see that. I saw those changes. So we're making a lot of changes from a herbicide program to the fertility program. I want to get things shaded out about as quickly as possible, and I think we get there with this program.
Exactly. Well, and then also too, we've had a lot of guys that transition from a 2x2 to a seed firmer to totally tubular to now we're big with precision. We've partnered up with a local guy down in Urick, Missouri. Those guys are precision dealers, equipment dealers, specialize in the furrow jets, which we're big fans of. We've done a lot of side-by-sides between, like I said, the totally tubulars, the 2x2s, the seed firmers, but equipment's just as important as what you're doing. So you guys don't have to go out and buy brand new planters with this stuff already on there or get it ordered. We can go ahead and convert an older planter and make it damn near like a new one.
That's what we did. We bought an older 1790 1631 planter. It's all outfitted with furrow jets. I don't have any skin in the game, but I'll tell you, I like the furrow jets. I think they're a good product. They work well, and I like the flexibility of the placement and what it's going to provide us down the road on placement.
Okay, so one of the things that you hear us talk about is 10 gallons of our BP and furrow product is equivalent to 100 dry based off of the plant can uptake. And how we say that is based off of university data and a lot of other data out there. And we're comparing it to MAP, muriated potash, which is the #2 dry fertilizer sold. If you put on 100 pounds of a 0060, they'll tell you, universities or whoever will tell you there's going to be 20 to 25% that's actual available for the plant to uptake that growing season. So if you're at 15 pounds out of that 25%, with our BP and furrow products with 10 gallons in the furrow, coming in at anywhere from 1.9 to 2.1 pounds of K that's actual available per gallon, 10 gallons to the acre, hell, you're anywhere from 19 to 21 pounds of actual K that's available for the plant to uptake that growing season. So that's how we're coming along and getting those numbers. And that's how we're able to say 10 gallons of our in-furrow is equivalent to 100 dry broadcasted.
And I think the placement of, and we're just talking macros, we're not even talking micros. The yield response to micros put in with your liquid program is by far, I'd say there's just as much of a yield bump from that perspective as there is, your P and your K.